What if I told you there's a cruise port where you can see the world's tallest building, ride camels in the desert, and shop in gold souks all in a single day? You might be wondering, is Dubai really that accessible from a cruise ship? Well, I'm talking about Dubai's Port Rashid, where futuristic skyscrapers meet ancient traditions, and where one port day can give you experiences that feel straight out of a movie. In this ultimate cruise port guide, I'll show you exactly how to maximize your time in Dubai, what makes this port special, and the insider tips that'll save you money while giving you an unforgettable experience. Stick around till the end, because I've got all the details you need to plan your perfect Dubai port day. Dubai isn't just another cruise stop. It's a world of contrasts, where ancient souks stand beside neon-lit skyscrapers, and where peaceful desert adventures are just steps away from bustling city streets. With only one day in port, navigating this metropolis can feel overwhelming. But don't worry. We've mapped out the best way to experience Dubai's highlights so you can make the most of every moment. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or embarking on your first Middle Eastern adventure, this guide is your ticket to making the most out of your time in Dubai. But before we begin, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our cruise port travel guides. The cruise port, what you need to know. First things first, Dubai's cruise port setup might surprise you. Knowing where you'll dock and how to get around is absolutely crucial for maximizing your port day. Cruise ships dock at Port Rashid, Mina Rashid, Dubai's main cruise terminal. This isn't a port you can just walk into town from. The port is modern, efficient, and easy to navigate, but it's not walkable to major sites. You'll need transport to get anywhere interesting. The good news? The terminal itself is one of the nicest you'll visit. It offers free Wi-Fi, currency exchange, shops, and shuttle buses. From the port, most travelers take either a taxi or rideshare. Uber and Careem work well, a private tour, or a shuttle to a central spot like Dubai Mall or the Gold Souk. Pro tip, don't waste time lingering at the port. There's nothing much there. The real magic waits inside the city. Now that you know how to get out of the port, let's talk about what you absolutely cannot miss. Top 5 must-see attractions. Here's your hit list of must-see attractions that you can fit into one action-packed day. 1. Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. No visit to Dubai is complete without seeing the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. Since 2009, this architectural marvel has been towering 828 meters high. That's equivalent to 3 Eiffel Towers stacked on top of each other. Right next door is Dubai Mall. Not just a shopping center, but an experience in itself. There's an indoor aquarium, ice rink, the famous dancing fountain show, and endless photo spots. Even if shopping's not your thing, it's worth visiting just for the spectacle. Travel tip: book Burj Khalifa tickets in advance if you want to go up. It gets busy, and time your visit for sunset if possible. 2. Dubai Creek and Old Town, Al Fahidi and souks. To contrast the modern glamour, head to Dubai Creek, where the city's original trading port still bustles with energy. This is where you'll find the real heart of Dubai's history. Hop on a traditional Abra, wooden boat, for a short ride across the water, just 1 dirham. On the Bur Dubai side, stroll through Al Fahidi historical neighborhood with its restored wind tower houses. Then make your way to the Spice Souk and the dazzling Gold Souk, both buzzing with energy and atmosphere. Travel tip: this is a great spot to practice your bargaining skills, and don't miss trying some traditional street food here. 3rd Desert Safari, half-day option. If you're craving adventure and can spare a few hours, consider booking a desert safari. These tours usually include dune bashing, camel rides, sandboarding, and sometimes a barbecue dinner. There are half-day safari options specifically designed for cruise passengers. Some even include port pickup and drop-off. It's a quick way to see a side of Dubai most tourists never reach on their own. 4th, Jumeirah Mosque and Beach Road views. one of the only mosques in Dubai open to non-Muslims for guided tours, offering fantastic cultural experience and beautiful architecture. Combine this with a scenic drive along Jumeirah Beach Road, where you'll get views of the Burj Al Arab, that iconic sail-shaped hotel, upscale villas, and turquoise waters of the Arabian Gulf. 5. The Palm Jumeirah. This man-made island shaped like a palm tree is one of Dubai's most famous landmarks. At the tip, you'll find Atlantis the Palm Resort, with its jaw-dropping architecture. But here's where things get really interesting. How do you actually get around to see all this? Getting around Dubai. Transport tips. Many visitors assume taxis are the best way to get around, but Dubai's got some surprises. Your transport options. Taxis. Widely available and relatively inexpensive. All are metered. The official ones are beige with coloured roofs. Rideshare. Careem and Uber are safe and efficient. Metro, clean and air-conditioned. But the closest station to the cruise port requires a taxi ride. Local tours. Often the most efficient way to hit multiple sites with AC transport and knowledgeable guides, without the cruise ship markup. Pro tip: for unlimited subway rides, grab a Tokyo Metro 24-hour pass equivalent. The NOL card for 22 dirham, about $6. Now, you might be wondering about the costs and whether to book through your ship or go independent. Ship tours versus independent exploration. Here's the truth about cruise ship excursions that most people don't realize. The reality check. Cruise ships often charge considerably more than local tour operators as they add booking fees and profit margins. In some cases, it can be nearly double the price of the same tour booked directly with a local guide. Independent benefits, more personalized experiences, better value for money, flexibility to customize your day, supporting local businesses, when to consider ship tours, if you're nervous about navigating on your own, for complex logistics like desert safaris, if you want the security of guaranteed return to ship. Pro tip: check the video description below for links to local tour operators. They often offer the same unforgettable experiences at a fraction of the cost. Practical tips for success. The difference between a smooth Dubai visit and a stressful one comes down to a few key details. Essential tips. Cash is helpful. Many places accept cards, but carry some dirhams for small purchases. Dress respectfully, especially when visiting mosques. Shoulders and knees covered. Stay hydrated. Dubai can get hot, even in winter months. Time management. Dubai is spread out. Don't try to see everything. Cultural respect. This is a Muslim country with different customs. Food recommendations. Skip tourist traps near major attractions. Try authentic shawarma from local spots. Don't miss traditional Emirati coffee and dates. Dubai is the ultimate mix of modern marvels and timeless traditions. It's a place where you can see the tallest tower in the world, ride camels in the desert, shop in gold souks, and still make it back to the ship in time for dinner. What makes it even better? You can do it all with smart planning. No overpriced cruise tours necessary. The local tours I've linked in the description give you more value, more flexibility, and real local insight. Remember these key points. Get out of the port quickly. Prioritize your must-sees. Use efficient transport, and don't be afraid to explore independently. Thanks for joining me on this Port Day preview of Dubai. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cruise port travel guides. We're here to help you save money, skip the stress, and make the most of every stop on your cruise. Check the video description below for tour links, related videos, and everything you need to plan an amazing day in Dubai. What part of Dubai are you most excited to explore? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to press that bell icon so you never miss out on future cruise port adventures. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next port.